Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast quickly and easily. Start by whisking together your 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla in a shallow dish. This creates the perfect custard for soaking your bread. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your skillet over medium heat. This ensures your French toast gets that beautiful golden brown crust. Having everything ready makes the process super smooth and fast. Now, gently dip each slice of bread into your egg mixture. Aim for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. You want the bread to absorb the delicious custard without becoming too soggy. This quick soak is key to achieving a tender interior and a crispy exterior. Don't rush this step. It's crucial for the best texture. Thicker breads like brioche or challah work especially well for this. Carefully place your soaked bread slices onto the hot skillet. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. The aroma will be incredible. Make sure the heat isn't too high, or they'll burn before cooking through. A perfectly cooked French toast should be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Adjust the heat as needed for even cooking. Once golden and cooked, transfer your French toast to a plate. Now for the best part, toppings. Drizzle with warm maple syrup, sprinkle with powdered sugar, or add some fresh berries. This quick and easy method delivers 4 delightful slices, perfect for a satisfying breakfast in under 15 minutes. Enjoy your homemade treat with your favorite accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.